Hi guys, it's Foundations time. How are you? Good. All right, what do you say we get the warm up started? Here we go. A apple A safe A acorn A wash A squash A Alaska E ed E Pete E me I itch I pine I high I animal or I champion O octopus O home Oh no You up You mule You rule You pupil You flew Why baby Why cry I. Awesome job. And let's just check out a couple of our sounds. There are two sounds that say, and I want to make sure you remember them. CH says ch, and I need to find my other card because what's the other sound for ch? TCH, like in the word catch, fetch, hatch. So remember, two sounds for CH. Great. Okay, so we are going to be talking a little bit more about prefixes and Latin roots. Take a look at this word. Let me pull you closer, my friends. Come on in. I don't bite. I do. No, he doesn't. Don't listen to Baby Echo. Okay, here's my word. If you take away the prefix re, what is left, everyone? Make. Is make a word? Yes. So it's a base word. Remember, prefixes can be added before a word that stands alone. Now take a look at this word. If you take away the pre, what is left? Dict. Is dict a word? No. It's a Latin root. So prefixes can be added to words that stand alone, or they can be added to roots. A Latin root is a part of a word that has a meaning, but it usually has a prefix or a suffix with it. Okay, so what does the root dict mean? Who remembers? Who remembers where to look if you don't know? That's right, your common prefix page. Yes, you over there in the back. What does dict mean? Okay, very good. It does mean to speak. And I just wanted to make sure you saw there's a separate page for roots. That's the one you want to be on. Yeah, so if dict means speak, what does the prefix pre mean? Speak up. Before. So we can put that together and combine it. It means to speak before something happens, right? Like if you predict something, you're saying what you think will happen before it does. I bet you make predictions all the time in reading or in movies about what you think will happen next. I want you to get your whiteboards out, please, or some paper, whatever you prefer. And we are going to copy down all of these root words and meanings. Okay, please pause here and take your time and copy these down. And then you need to match them. Okay, so match cyst to whatever the definition is. Be honest, do the work, and then come back and watch me show you the answers. Everyone, what did cyst mean? make firm, or to say. An example of a word with "sist" would be consist. So you might say the recipe consists of, and that would be the parts that it has in it. Okay, what's the next root? Struct. And what line did you draw struct to? That's right, build. Like construction, they're building things. What's the next root? Spec. And what did you draw spec to? See or look. Has anyone ever heard the word spectacles? It's another word for glasses. Or if you've been to a sporting event, you're a spectator because you just sit there and look and see. What's our next root? Lect. And lect means, oh, look at that, straight across. Choose. You can elect to make your bed or not. You can choose to make it, elect. But you better choose to do it or else your other people in your house might not be pleased. Okay, here's our next one. Scrib. And that means to write. Like in the word scribble. Okay, next root, tract. And tract means drag. I guess like a contract. You're dragging someone into doing something that they say they'll do. And one more, dict. Yep, way up at the top. Speak. Like here, we had dict to say something before it happens, or dictation. All right, very nice job with those, my friends. It's time for me to dictate some things for you to write. So I would like you to please get out your whiteboard that looks like this. And we are going to start by doing 3 sounds. So please number each line. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And I want you to write all the ways to spell the sounds. Okay. The first one is long I. So repeat after me. I. Write all the ways to spell I. I'll be right back to check. Okay, how'd you do? Long I. Well, think back to our warm-up or look in your student notebook about those vowel sounds. We know I-E, which you can write like that. Okay, that's long I, like in pine I. We also know, I'm going to put a comma, that just an I says I, like in high. And we know that a Y says I, like in cry. Okay, next sound. A. All the ways to do long A. Yep, you should be writing it on number 2. Okay, tell me what you have. Read them to me. A-E. A, like in acorn A. Good. And A, yeah, A-E is like safe A, vowel consonant E. Okay, next sound. Please repeat after me. Ch. There's 2 ways to do ch. Please write them and show me. Don't mind the interruption. Okay, show me your ch. There's 2 ways, CH and TCH. Excellent. Now let's go ahead and erase. And next I am going to give you 4 prefixes. So let's set up our page. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please set it up like this. And repeat after me and write it. Number 1, con. Number 2, miss. Don't forget to pause if you need more time or to look in your student notebook. It's not cheating. Do it. It'll help you. Repeat after me. Trans. And number 4, un. Okay. When you're done, check your work to mine and fix any mistakes that you need to. All right, now we are going to do some words that have prefixes that are open syllable prefixes. So please erase your whiteboard. And we'll do 3 words. We'll do 1 on each line. Okay, you can number them. 1, 2, 3. And here's your first word. Respond. Remember, you can use these boxes at top to help you with the syllables. Respond. Pause if you need to have more time. Let's mark it. Scoop the syllables and mark them. Respond. Look like this, right? Open syllable, so it's a long E. Closed syllable, it's a short O. Here's your next word. Repeat after me. Event. Help you with your syllables. Put your hand under your chin. Event. E-v-e-n-t. Vent. Scoop those syllables and label them. That E is open for the prefix, long E, and then the second one is closed in, so it's a short E. Event. Number 3, repeat after me. Propel. The boat's motor was going to propel it forward. Propel. Write it, mark it, fix it. Open, closed. Okay, now read these words to me smoothly. Respond, event, propel. Nice job. I want you to use each one in a sentence, please. Pause here and do your sentences. Just speak them. You don't have to write them unless you want to. Okay, and our last activity for today is a sentence. So let's erase our boards. I'm using Baby Echo to erase mine. And repeat after me. They plan to construct the mall in your city. One more time. They plan to construct the mall in your city. Okay, pause here and write your sentence. Okay, when you're finished, I want you to first point to each word as I read it. They plan to construct the mall in your city. If you missed a word, put it in now. Next, check, did you start with an uppercase and end with punctuation? Okay. Check over your trick words. And I want you to mark the 1 2-syllable word with a prefix. Construct. Okay, now let's read the whole thing smoothly. They plan to construct the mall in your city. Great job.